There's a storm brewing. Oh yeah, look how dark it is over there. Weather says there's a 100% chance of lightning. And there I am. That's where I came from. Right there. You can't see it so with the camera, but it's west. This is like the west side of Albuquerque. See? Industrial. Shipping, something. Saya. This is my room. I said, privacy please. It's quality time. While I was in there, I just hear this stuff. I'm like, what is going on? Ooh, look at that. You see it? Slowly moving. Interesting. Felt the breeze. So if you can tell, right, my gas can right there. I spilled gas all over the place this morning. Like, you can still see it right there. On the outline. Right there. Anyway, yeah, oh, like you go to put it in the little hole and it just starts pouring. Oh, it just makes such a mess. I'm done with it. I'm not filling it anymore. I've been filling it just in case, like I need to get somewhere, but I'm not gonna do it anymore. So I'm okay with that. And oh yeah, the big thing is, so I left it not locked up. Can't tell from here, but yeah, so it's like, so if someone comes along, you can just have it. I don't care. And then the second easiest thing to steal would probably be what's in that white box. It's just car parts in there, and my headrest, and my old skiing shoes, and a tarp. So I really don't care. Third, that I don't care if they steal. My shovel. Whatever. I don't know. I just brought it with me because it's like, well, it's mine. And then fourth would be the tires. You can't, I don't know if you can see them from here, but right there, right behind the passenger mirror. I just figured, why not? Crap, they're mine, so I brought them with me too. And that's just stuff I, didn't lock down. So, oh, and damaged my garbage can. Yeah, that too. I don't care. Of course, anything else I lock down, I don't want it stolen. But yeah, I got 4 locks on there. I got the bicycle lock that's locked the bike down to the trailer, and then I have another bicycle lock that locked through the wheel and through the forks on it. And then I got 2 padlocks on the tongue. Of course, one's like where you normally like latch it down, and I figured that'd be the easiest lock to get through. But what I did is I raised this up, right? So like and then I made it so you can't twist it down, so it's like essentially locked into place. So like if someone were to like back up I should say, that they couldn't just like lower it down on it, even if they did snip that lock. So, but if they had tools and whatnot, they could easily just take that chain off and disassemble it, and then be able to lower it down and pull away with it. So it's possible. It's not the best I could have done, but I don't know, I feel pretty good about it. So, and then that's south. So that's where I'm gonna be heading next, that direction. Guys mentioned like I'm constantly like self-aware and whatnot, but like it's really weird to me that I'm here right now. Like a month ago, like some time ago, I knew I was gonna come, make this trip, but like even myself, I wasn't sure I was gonna do it, and now here I am doing it. It's weird. It's so weird. Like I don't know what I'm doing. Like I feel like I should be more productive or something. I don't know. It's kind of tripping me out. I don't know. I'm kind of just going with my gut, I guess. And like, I remember I watched this. I'll end with this. I watched this. This viewing or whatever you want to call it. Oh yeah, I can see the rain coming down now. Oh, in the distance. Sorry, but about Steve Harvey, and he was talking about after one of the Family Feud episodes had aired, and he was just talking to the audience, and he was telling them how, when you're pursuing something, sometimes you just gotta take that leap of faith, and he described it as like jumping off a cliff, and that like you just have to believe that your wings will carry you. Boy, I felt some water. Yeah, it's definitely coming. That's live. Ooh, a desert storm. This would be cool. But I guess that's what's been running through my mind here, is that like this happened. I always figure like, even if I don't like find what I want or whatever, like I can always go back home, But like, I really hope I find something. It's so pretty over there, and then it's just dark as shit over there. So it's like, oh, it disappeared. I've been recording 8 minutes, and like that whole area is just. Oh, it's definitely moving in. Probably be here in about 2 minutes, so I'm gonna keep recording. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I was just sitting up there in Seattle, the greater Seattle area, the northern greater Seattle area. This is how I would best describe it to people that have never been there. But it's I don't know. I was just burning out. Like it felt like there was nothing for me there. And I don't know. Part of it is like I know I can't just like move away and like everything's gonna be okay. Like I had to put the work in, right? Like I'm well aware of that. I guess I just kind of wanted a fresh start. Move away and try something different. And it's hard because like I did this alone, whereas like the last 2 times I've moved out of state or across the country, I should say, I was with someone that I knew, so I always had that like that footing, that grounding. But this it's just me, and it's, I don't know, at times it's cool, but a lot of the time it's also been like really nerve-wracking and like uncomfortable. I think it would have been a lot easier when I was younger, like 10 years younger. I think I had more of a resilience to it, or more of a willingness to adapt. Can you see it? Yeah, it's definitely coming. I'm my windows should be good. These poor guys, like, there's a homeless encampment over there. Those poor guys. Oh, and I bet you like never see anything like this either, or not often. All those poor guys. I don't know, but I also felt like if I would have done it when I was younger, like I wouldn't have been as prepared. So it's like I don't sit here and like beat myself up too much for it, because it's like I wasn't built for it. You know, like I really was struggling back then. I think I was a lot more susceptible to failures and whatnot. So I just think it's better that I you know, that this is the time. I feel like I should go put a cover on my bike. I'm sure it'll be okay. Like, I've ridden in way worse. Like, I'm sure. Even though that does look pretty bad. Gonna leave it as is. Like if I was actually riding it, yeah, because number one, the straps are on it and it's covered, so like you can't even get it all the way on there anyway. Okay, now it's starting to blow in my face. The second, like with it being windy, I don't want to like push the trailer. A tumbleweed out of nowhere. That's funny. Yeah, I don't know. It's this thing. It's like it's part of life, or being an adult, or whatever you want to call it. It's like you have to make these decisions, and you have to weigh it. Is it better to go this way, or is it better to go that way? And I always try to play the odds. You know, like I think I've said before in other videos. Like I thought about like not bringing my trailer, but then I'm like, well, if anything happens to my truck, I'll have all my tools. I can fix it. So, and I figure once I get down to Texas, I can take my bike around and I can just park my truck. So your gas prices are supposed to go up even further. So, I don't know. Man, it looks bad, don't it? I love storms though. You keep going, see what happens. Well, no, I'm always trying to do like risk assessment. Like I'm huge on that. And but part of it, like, so like me coming out here is like I don't know. Like I was talking about the Steve Harvey thing. Like you just have to make that jump and like just hope that your wings open. And I don't know what it's supposed to look like. I have no expectations. But the only thing I do know is that I had to try. That I am sure about. That once I hit my deathbed, that I'm laying on it and I look back and I go, you know what? At least I tried. And that's huge to me. That's really what I'm going for. So that's something I can live with. Anything else positive comes out of that, well, that's just a plus. So yeah, I don't know. Kind of eased up on the rain. It's like it wants to, but it doesn't know. I don't know. I've never been out here before. It's my first time in Albuquerque, so I don't know. Dude, I'm glad I went sightseeing this morning. Shit. Oh, I went and saw all the locations that they filmed for Breaking Bad. Like Walter White's house and Jesse Pinkman's house. Shit, what else? Tuco's, Saul Goodman's, strip mall place. The car wash. Los Polos Hermanos. And I feel like there's somewhere else there. problem. But anyway, yeah, I went all these places this morning. So I'm glad I did it this morning because I'm trying to do it during this. I don't think I would have seen much. There it is. Ah, it just feels like it's just gonna get nasty. So Albuquerque, I brought some with me. It was good. See? Check the license plates. Watch it. Seattle. Oh, look at it, look at it, look at it. Oh yeah, that's a big, big rain. Oh, kitty. Yeah, my poor bike. Well. Like I said, I'm not too worried about it because, like, it'll dry before, you know, at least I hope. But then, I did just say I have a tarp. Could just thrown it over. Oh, maybe I should. Is it too late? It's a little too late. Shit, decisions. I did just say I have a tarp. Dude, I'm dumb. I literally sat here with my phone and watched this shit come in. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna go down and see what I can do. Alright, thanks for watching.